7 Tips for Managing Laundry at College. Take the time to sort your clothing by colors, whites, lights, and darks before you leave for the laundry room. Believe it or not, you probably have more workspace in your dorm room than you will in the laundry room. Before you set something on top of the laundry room washer or dryer, make sure the surface is clean. At best, you'll get sticky detergent residue on your clothes. At worst, you'll find bleach that will permanently ruin your clothes. As you start your first load of laundry, check your watch or cell phone and time how long it takes for the washer to complete the load. Do the same thing when you load laundry in the dryer. To help you gauge exactly how much laundry equals one load, fill a washer with dry clothes the first time you do laundry. Don't stuff the washer full, just gently add the dirty clothes in layers. An overstuffed washer will leave you with clothes that aren't clean. Before you start the dryer, make sure the lint trap is clean. Not only will your clothes dry faster, but you'll potentially prevent a fire. Whether you choose to fold or hang clothes is often a matter of space. Either one is perfectly fine for most items, though you should always fold sweaters. Just make sure that you actually do one or the other. Clothes left in a pile get wrinkles and only add more work by requiring ironing. If you plan to leave anything in the laundry room while your clothes are washing and drying, put your name on it. This means clothes, laundry bags, and detergent bottles. It also helps to add a cell phone number just in case something goes wrong and someone needs to reach you. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.